Okay, everybody, we're getting ready to do 4.4, converting units of measure for SAT Math Level 1 prep. Email me here for materials. 4.4, converting units of measure. So the overview of this section here, changing from one unit of measurement to another requires using a fractional conversion factor that tells the relationship between the two units so that like units cancel, as in this situation here. Conversion factor, miles to feet, will be right here, 5,280 feet per 1 mile. So how to convert units? To convert from one unit of measurement to another, write the conversion factor as a fraction, placing the old units in the denominator and the new units in the numerator. For example, to change from feet into an equivalent number of miles, here would be your conversion factor. So we want miles, we put that in the numerator, feet in the denominator. So multiplying the number of units you want to convert by the conversion factor. So cancel any units that are both numerator and denominator, then check the correct units. So if an object is moving at an average speed of 18 kilometers per minute, how many meters does it travel in 5 seconds? So there's our original, then multiply the result. Convert 18 kilometers per minute to an equivalent number of meters per second. Then multiply by 5. So here is our conversion here. So here's our conversion factor, 1,000 meters per 1 kilometer. And then this will be our conversion factor here, 18 kilometers per minute times 1,000 meters per 1 kilometer. Then we get 18,000 meters per minute. So we've converted it now to meters per minute. The numerator for the conversion factor for time must contain minutes. So this needs to be converted into minutes. Hence, use this conversion factor here, 1 minute to 60 seconds. We need to apply that to 18,000 meters per minute. So we take this and we multiply it by this here, 1 minute for 60 seconds. This will convert it into 300 meters per second. Now we have 300 meters per second. Divide this out here and we get 300. Find the distance. So we have 300 meters per second times 5 seconds would equal 1,500 meters. We got meters per second due to that conversion factor. The average download speed is 30 megabytes per second. What is the best estimate for a maximum number of complete files that Max can download to his computer in a 6-hour period? If each video file is 4.2 gigs in size, 1 meg equals 8 megabytes and 1 gigabyte, 1024 megabytes. So convert from meg to second to megabytes per hour. That's what we want to convert. So here are our possibilities here. So here is our conversion factor, 60 seconds over 1 minute, 60 minutes over 1 hour. So after pushing this through here, we get 1,000, rather 108,000. So we have 60, 60, and then 30 megabytes, megabits per hour. Convert from megabytes per hour to gigabytes per hour. So megabytes here, we multiply this through. Our gig is here. 1 gig is 1024 megs. So all this cancels here. So we end up with 108,000 divided by 8 times 1024. And we get 13.184 gigabytes per hour. 6-hour period, total number of gigs can be downloaded. 13.184 times 6 would be 79.104 gig. Since 79.104 divided by 4.2 equals 18.8, a maximum of 18 video files can be downloaded. Correct choice there. Scientific notation: when a very large, very small number, excuse me, it is sometimes convenient to write that number as a decimal. So to me, move left, powers of 10, moved right. So 32 million here would be 3.2 times 10 to the 7th. 7 places. If the original number is between 0 and 1 of places, the decimal point needs to be moved to the left because the power of 10, because of the power, becomes the power of 10. If necessary, insert the decimal point in the original number, as in here. 3.2 times 10 to the 7. We got 6 here and then 1 digit here. If there is between 0 and 1, make the power of 10 negative, followed by the number of places decimal point needs to be moved to the right, as in this number here, 6.08 times 10 to the negative 5. So we're 5 digits to the right of the decimal. For more PowerPoints, videos, for your SAT math prep, email me here. Thank you.